Welcome to the News at 10. New recommendations from the CDC tonight have people looking for face masks that they haven't worn in months. The guidance recommends that masks be worn inside where COVID transmission is considered high. The recommendation includes everyone, even people who are fully vaccinated. Local leaders and schools are quickly figuring how to keep up with these new recommendations. One city is even bringing mask requirements back to their buildings. Our Tristan Lewis has reaction from around the Treasure Valley. So Tristan, what are people saying? What are agencies doing?
So Kim, a lot of people I spoke with today say it's somewhat frustrating and disappointing to hear the new guidance and feel like we're moving backwards. They say it seems like this could be preventable if more people just got vaccinated. But the big thing, this guidance is recommendation, and local officials are looking at what to do next. As the pandemic continues to evolve, guidance from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention is changing with it.
It's not unexpected.
The CDC recommends people wear masks indoors at places that have a high infection surge, regardless of their vaccination status.
Our responsibility here is to always lead with the science and always lead with the advice of health and medical experts.
This new guidance has leaders in the Treasure Valley issuing their own requirements too. The city of Boise is bringing back its mask mandate to city buildings, so places like City Hall, libraries, and recreational facilities. The city cites an increase of COVID-19 cases and low vaccination rates in Ada County.
Relief that more action is being taken, because if not enough people are getting vaccinated, then I do think there needs to be guidelines set in place.
Central District Health is also backing up the CDC's guidance, but only recommending people wear a mask where there are substantial or high levels of transmission. CDH says Ada, Boise, Elmore, and Valley counties all meet that criteria.
Unfortunately, I think the fact that there's people resistant to getting vaccinated results in that sort of new guidance.
However, other health authorities like Southwest District Health, based in Canyon County, are still leaving the decisions up to community members, saying they are best suited to do so.
My opinion is if you're vaccinated, I really don't see the point in wearing a mask. Personal opinion, and what I've seen in my personal life, I don't see people getting COVID or having symptoms of COVID if they are vaccinated.
Tuesday's CDC guidance also targets schools, recommending all students, teachers, staff, and visitors at schools wear masks, also regardless of their vaccination status. School districts around the Treasure Valley say this guidance is new, so have not yet had time to discuss it. Nampa Schools will keep its mask optional policy for the time being, while West Ada says it's keeping masks optional regardless. Meantime, the Boise School District says they will meet with local health officials to discuss a COVID-19 impact plan.
I mean, it's a virus that keeps changing, right? So I think all of us should be prepared to know that it's just going to keep changing until we get vaccinated.
The city of Meridian says they're reviewing the CDC recommendations, but are not issuing any new requirements at this time. With new guidance, local health districts are reminding people that getting vaccinated is the best way to protect yourself and those around you. Kim?
A new round of guidance and a new round of frustrations. Tristan, thank you.